Good morning. This is Porch Coffee from the truck on Christmas morning. I'm sitting here with my bonnet on, my cup of coffee, and I saw a driver walk out with his Dunkin' bag and a cup. Then he was rushed by 4 or 5 of them. He couldn't enjoy his coffee in peace. He had to show his phone, his ID. And I'm sitting here thinking, that could have been me. Y'all, people don't know what happens in these truck parking lots or out here. We're trying to do a job and we get hit from all angles. People don't understand we carry the world in the back of these trucks. And yes, it hurt me to my core. So if you're a driver and if you've ever witnessed this, drop a truck, a thumbs up, or raise your hand in the comments, because this is real.